Hello and welcome to Okanagan Dodge. My name's Emily and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2017 Ram 1500 SLT Outdoorsman in bright white. Under the hood you have a 5.7 liter V8 HEMI engine pushing out 395 horsepower, 410 foot-pounds of torque, coupled with a 6-speed automatic transmission. On the front here you have your automatic headlights, your daytime running lights, and then you have your front tow hooks, your body color grille, and then of course your chrome Ram badge. Still fantastic tread remaining on these Goodyear Wrangler tires that are sitting atop of 17-inch factory alloy rims. Coming down the side you have black mirrors and door handles, as well as black running boards, and then you have tinted rear windows. Let me grab the keys and show you the inside. Taking a look now at your key fob, you have your panic, your unlock, your lock, and your remote start. So go ahead and make sure it's unlocked. And then opening up your driver's side door, you have your adjustable mirrors, which are heated and power folding, your power windows, and your power locks. And then you have your power adjusted driver's seat. And inside you have two-tone gray cloth seating. So I'll go ahead, hop on in and start it up. So currently this Ram 1500 is sitting at 40,743 kilometers. So lots of life left in it, but do speak to one of our finance managers about any extended warranties to make sure you are fully covered. Over on this side there you have your headlight adjustments, and then you have your windshield wiper settings as well as your high beams. On the side of your leather wrap steering wheel here, you have your voice recognition, Bluetooth, and your screen options. So just going through them, you have your speedometer, vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, audio, stored messages, your screen setup, and then back to your speedometer. And located behind the steering wheel there, you have your radio controls. On the other side you have your cruise control settings, your gears, and then you have your volume controls located behind the steering wheel. In the center you have a nice large 8.4-inch touchscreen display with your radio options, so your AM, FM, and satellite. And then you have your media options, so your USB and auxiliary plugins, as well as your Bluetooth. You have your automatic mirror dimmer as well as your backup camera. And then you have your Uconnect apps, your climate controls, your navigation, and then your phone that's connected with Uconnect. Further down you have your dual climate control with front defrost and air conditioning. And then at the bottom there you have your traction control and your tow haul mode. Over on the side you have your 150 watt plug-in. And then you have your 4x4 options there. And then a 12 volt DC plug-in tucked at the bottom there. In the top part of your center console, you have your USB and auxiliary plugins. And then in the bottom, you have tons of storage space. Coming up to the top, you have your universal garage door opener with 3 settings, and then your power rear sliding window. So stick with me and I'll show you the rest. Taking a look now in your second row of seating, it is a quad cab, but you have a great amount of space back here for any passengers. You have your mat pockets behind your front seats there for some extra storage space, and then you have a 12 volt DC plug-in, as well as your seats can fold up with a 60/40 split, and then this here can fold up for extra storage space or out and down to give you some flat cargo space as well. So coming around out to the back, you have your hitch receiver at the bottom there, your 4 and 7 pin wiring harness, your backup camera, and then your bed liner. On your passenger side, you have a manually adjusted seat, storage compartment along the bottom, your power locks, power windows. You have an extra storage compartment up top there, and then you have your glove box. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon at Okanagan Dodge to take this 2017 Ram 1500 for a test drive.